How to Earn Through Freelancing, a seminar for graduates. The most common career path adopted by graduates is to seek full-time employment. However, with the advent of social media, professional networking websites, and MOOCs, it has become more feasible to develop an individual's skills and make a living through freelancing and consulting. This seminar will try to address the following questions. What are freelancing and consulting? What are the opportunities in it? Who should go for freelancing? How to develop a skill for freelancing and consulting? What are the prerequisites for a successful career in freelancing? How to leverage professional networking? How to market your skills and develop your own personal brand? And what are the top tips for graduates interested in freelancing? Dr. Abrar Ali Saiyed will conduct this seminar. He holds a doctorate in entrepreneurship from the prestigious IIM Ahmedabad. Currently, he is a full-time assistant professor at Ahmedabad University and a visiting faculty at several IIMs. His research interests include entrepreneurial firms, SMEs in emerging markets, and he has published several papers in top journals. Dr. Abrar has a passion for entrepreneurship and has delivered numerous talks and seminars for teaching and promoting it. This seminar will be live on Zoom and YouTube on 9th August, Sunday, 4 p.m. onwards. Pattern will be 40 to 60 minute presentation followed by 30-minute question and answer session. Do register with link sent along this video. This seminar is free and part of Graduate Reboot series organized by SIO South Maharashtra. Do follow us on social media. Thank you.